Alright everyone, I'm here with my last layout that I have ready. I have two other layouts that I did yesterday, which was July 9th, but I don't have pictures or anything of those or the videos off my camera, so I'm just gonna do those later. Of course my background is basil cardstock, and I'm making this I had 5 pictures that kind of went together, so believe it or not, I am going to do 2-page spread. Haven't done that in a long time. I can't say that I am in love with how this layout turned out. I struggled with it. I don't know why, but I did. So, I don't know. It's okay. The first page I don't mind. It's the second page that just, I don't know, it just didn't sit right with me, but I just loved it. So that pretty multicolored, it looks like floral, so I put floral, I just called it the floral layer. It's Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet, of course. And there's not much to describe because everything, the puffy stickers, the chipboard sticker, the die cuts, are all Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet. There's nothing from anywhere else except for one thing on the second page, which is a phrase sticker, which is Dear Lizzie from a past kit. It may have been from the June 2020 kit, Let's Stay Home, but I'm not sure, 100%. So I got my pond in the ground after a year and some weeks, but I got him in the ground, so he's happy, and I'm happy because it was sitting up on one end is more shallow, so it's like a step up, and it was sitting on a tin can, and the tin can was rusting, and so my fear was it collapsing, and out he goes. So I finally got that in the ground, and I went to check yesterday, and there were 10, oh, I forget the names of the toads, but there were 10 toads in there, and later on I told Mateo to go see what's in the pond. Most of them were already gone. There was only 2 left in there. Of course, they were mating, and now I bought some lilies and another floral to put in there because I want to buy some more goldfish, but my goldfish that is existing in there is going to be larger than them. I don't know that he would eat the smaller fish. I don't know, but they are covered in fish eggs. In toad eggs. I was like, oh my gosh. Because I went to grab one of the plants, and I'm like, oh, it's slimy. And then when I was looking at it, I was like, oh, gross. Those are toad eggs. It was so slimy and gross. It grossed me out. Anyway, yeah, so the last time frogs or toads laid eggs, when they hatched into tadpoles, I had more goldfish than just the one, and they actually ate them because they were there, and then I went out and I was like, where are they all at? So they are not going to survive because there's nowhere for them to hide. I don't have anywhere for the poor babies to hide because my plants have not shot up yet. I don't know, I bought them from Lowe's and they're brown, they look dead, so I'm hoping that by putting them in my pond they will be doing a little better. I don't know. I should have tried to start them in like a bucket of water first. I might try that. Put some water and just see if I can get them started that way. The only thing is the tadpoles are going to hatch in the bucket. Not that I can't pour the bucket into the pond. So those 2 eggs and the little chick are puffy stickers. I'm going to use a, looks like an arrow kind of. It's a chipboard sticker. Otherwise the florals and everything else is die cuts. And then I use the chipboard frame from the Pretty Sweet. There's where I use the Dear Lizzie phrase. Quality time. And now for my title. So, hanging in my Aria Kid Club's Dream Bag from the February kit. Oh, she sees something. With Peeps are Hip Kid Club's Pretty Sweet Puffy Alphabet stickers. So the purple ones are the Dream Big, and the more light blue, pastel type blue stickers are Pretty Sweet. Hey, Pumpkin, you see something? I felt bad. I didn't realize somebody let Theo out last night on the porch, so I got up at 2 and opened the door. Oh, no, I let Coco out, didn't I? I thought I did. Didn't I let her out? No, I let her out this morning. Never mind. And he come running in. And in that time, he killed a lizard, so it's not like he didn't enjoy himself. When he goes to hunt them, oh my gosh, he is infatuated with lizards. Oh my gosh. But he tortures the poor guy, so we try to take him away and rescue them. Hey, Pumpkin? She likes to hunt them too, but not to the extent of Theo. And he just reminds me, when he walks, he's just like a tiger or a lion. You can watch him, and he just reminds me, I see him as like a big tiger or lion out hunting for his next meal. He's a beautiful cat. And so I'm going to do some white ink splatters, but I'm looking at it and I'm just like, ugh, what? And so I do go get, from that same place I got that peach pattern, the 8x8, and right there, and I'm going to cut it into strips and do journaling lines to kind of help, because the frame by itself it didn't look right. Oh, I'm actually dressed right now. Hey, what, sweeties? You're bumping. She won't let baby girl, huh? Mm-hmm. You're gonna go on the porch when they go out back so you can watch them strike? Huh? Yeah, maybe. Perhaps. Huh? So if I start now, I can get a good chunk of the backyard done, even though I really need to mow it. But my husband has something the way of the mower, so I can't get it out. Irritating. Anyway, so I was trying to figure out if there was anything else I could add to this. So I did add that arrow there. I was trying to figure out where to add it. And so I ended up adding it down there by you. Dang, you were sweet. Hey, Smiley. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. And then that's it. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys.